Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. You can see the trains with the light because I've got the light on for now, the torch from my phone. You can see the trains. You got the class 450 and the 444. Here's the 444, 450, and then that one I don't know, and that one is just a copy of a London Underground mix 444. We're going to be watching them, drive around. Yeah. And this is where the video will be a little bit more weirder because the light will be off like this. Okay, see you in a sec. So we're gonna watch this train leave. Okay, so here is the point where we see the detail on the train. So if we did pull out the train a little bit, we can reverse it, which it hates being reversed. There we go, we got that bit. This is a 444. I'm just getting a little bit mixed up because it does look like the 450. I bet you do like the detail in this. Look at that. I mean, it does have a little bit of dust. It's been there for days, but yeah. Well, I have been moving them. This train does make a sound by itself. This one makes a sound. Listen. They have got rainbow coaches, by the way, and the 450s there. You will see it in a minute. Okay. It sounds like it's really close, but it's not. That is. So we've got the Reader train. This is an airport train. I actually like this carriage. Because look at the pantograph on this one. They're meant to look different. You could hear my mum putting up on the drive with her Sports Zafira if you want to see it. Sports Zafira. Yeah, we got that. And we have got these other things over there. But I don't want to show you them. We got this London Underground connecting thing where it can actually connect to other trains, look. But it wouldn't be able to connect to that train, it's not related basically. You can see the blue on that. In real life it looks black, but there it looks blue. Look, from blue. Yeah, so we've got this. If I just turn off the light for you, it would actually be black. Told you. But when the light's on, it's blue. I've got to see another thing work as well, because I've painted a model car black. Let me see what colour it is. Oh, look at that. It's a very, very dark blue greenish colour. You can mostly see the blue. Yeah. Yeah, so we're back where the trains are. We got the 444, the 450. We got the London Underground Rio train. We got this airport train. We do have a couple more in there, but they're not going to be out today. They have these weird sounds. I mean, they're very weird trains. This one can go backwards and forwards. Set from the 450 and the 444. Then, there they are. This weird train. This has got a little bit of weight to it, but not that much. It's not meant to be heavy. This one's definitely, I don't want to pick up the front carriage and make all the others fall off. You can pick up this one. but that one's a 5 car. Got another platform there, it's a small one for this train, which I might actually put there actually. And let the 450 go there on this one, and that one go there. I don't know. Yeah, so if you like one of these trains, comment down below, just letting you know this is an underground connector train. This is the 444, this is the 450, and this is an airport train. I actually saw a few orbs then. Tell me if you saw them. I mean, this might turn into another ghost hunting video. Yeah, ghost hunting with trains. Is that what it's going to turn into? Or it's called there. If you see those orbs, tell me in the comments below. If anyone watches my videos. And just putting the trains back. And you can see them again. You would actually see underneath where there's these bigger model cars and stuff. But yeah. There's the station. As you can see, it's beautiful. You've got these weirder platforms here, and then this long platform, which is for longer trains. Oh, that train's not forced in properly. Let me force it in properly. There we go. We've got the 450 versus the 444. Which one do you like out of these two? Which one do you like out of these two? I mean, they are all nice to me, because I love trains. I mean, this is the first time they're going to go on YouTube. You can hear my siblings and step sibling in the background down there laughing. Anyway, we got these two trains. They do connect to each other. Yeah. You're walking down it, and all you see look down at the platform. I can see everything. I really love this. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go. Bye.